لا 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 لا. أتعلم أنا أتعلم. إحنا في المدرسة طلاب نتعلم ويا الأصحاب، نفتح للمستقبل باب، نحيي في الوطن التجديد. إحنا في المدرسة طلاب نتعلم ويا الأصحاب، نفتح للمستقبل باب، نحيي في الوطن التجديد. أتعلم أنا أتعلم حتى أفيد وأستفيد، وأعرف لما أتكلم إنه كلامي صح ومفيد. ليلى لا ليلى لا ليلى لا لا ليلى لا ليلى لا ليلى لا.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. This is teacher Ibrahim Salama from Ibn Khaldun Al Yasmin primary section. This is the fourth online learning video in the third week. Today inshallah we are going to have exercises in workbook. So please get ready and open your workbook, page 92. Study skills. Learn to correct your own mistakes. Number 1. There are mistakes with word order in these sentences. We have 6 sentences. As you can see, we have W-O before each sentence. This means that these sentences, all of them are wrong. What's wrong with these sentences? They are wrong in word order. So write the sentences correctly. Number 1. John plays football always at the weekend. As you know, or as we said, this sentence is wrong in word order. So try to put the words in the correct order and say the sentence. What is the correct answer? Yes. So, John always plays football at the weekend. Again, John always plays football at the weekend. So the word always must come after the subject and before the verb. Or we can say, in other words, we can say, always comes between the subject and the verb. Number 2. Never they have traveled by plane. Never they have traveled by plane. The word never has the same word order as the word always. So it comes in between the subject and the verb. So please tell me now what is the correct order for sentence number 2. Exactly correct. So they have never traveled by plane. They have never traveled by plane. Number 3. At the beach we arrived in the afternoon. Again, at the beach we arrived in the afternoon. What is the correct word order for sentence number 3? Exactly, this is a correct answer. So we arrived at the beach in the afternoon. Again, we arrived at the beach in the afternoon. Number 4. I need you to pay attention to number 4 because it is a question. It's not a sentence, it's a question. So, why the children are making such a noise? Again, why the children are making such a noise? So what is the correct order for the words? Yes. Why are the children making such a noise? Why are the children making such a noise? Now it's time for sentence number 5. The teacher told the children to not shout. Again, The teacher told the children to not shout. In fact, we studied this rule in the first semester. I hope you remember it. What is the correct order for sentence number 5? So it is the teacher told the children not to shout. Again, the teacher told the children not to shout. The sentence was to not shout, but the correct order is the teacher told the children not to shout. Last sentence in exercise 1. You don't like bananas, and neither I do. What is the correct word order? Okay, so you don't like bananas and neither do I, not I do. So you don't like bananas and neither do I. Let's move to exercise number 2. In exercise 2, you are asked to match the words and the definitions. You have 8 words in the box and you have 8 definitions. You are asked to put the correct word to the suitable definition. The words we have: medicines, bones, sewer, habitat, blood, pain, anxious, throat. So let's start. Number 1. The place where a plant or animal lives. Again, the place where a plant or animal lives. The correct word is, try to think, exactly, habitat. Number 2, worried. The suitable word is exactly, anxious. So worried means anxious. Number 3, the red liquid that flows through our bodies. The red liquid that flows through our bodies. The suitable word is exactly, blood. Blood. Number 4, the part of the body behind the mouth, inside the neck. Again, the part of the body behind the mouth, inside the neck. And the suitable word is exactly, throat. 5, we use these to treat illnesses. What do we use to treat illnesses? Excellent. Medicines. Number 6, the word hurting means correct, sore. 7, the strong, hard parts of the body. Again, the strong, hard parts of the body. Correct, bones. Last sentence, the feeling in the body when something hurts. The feeling in the body when something hurts. And the correct word for it is pain. Exactly. Now you can check the words in your dictionary if you need the meaning of any of these words. Let's move to the next exercise. Reading comprehension and vocabulary. Number 1. Read Plants in Medicine again. I need you, all of you now, to pause the video, go back to your class book, read the first and second page in Unit 10, and then come back and continue the video. Okay, now let's move to exercise number 2. Label the parts of the plants. We have a picture here of a plant, some arrows pointing to parts of the plant, and we need to write the labels from here to the plant. We have the words stem, leaf, root, seed, bud, beetle, and flower. Let's start with the first word, stem. Where is the stem here in the plant? Exactly, here is the stem. Okay, leaf, correct. This is a leaf, and these are leaves, correct. What about root? Exactly, it's the part of the plant which is inside the soil, correct, root. What about seed? This is seed, another one. Okay, this is seed. Bud. Excellent. This is a bud. Okay, beetle. Correct. This one is a beetle. And the last word, flower. Correct. This is a flower. Excellent. Let's move to exercise number 3. Number the sentences and pictures in order. Try not to look in your book again. So now, try not to look to your class book or pupil's book, and we need to put the sentences and the pictures in the correct order. Each sentence refers to one of these pictures from A to I. We are going to put them in the correct order. Now, try to think and tell me, where is the first sentence? Correct. The seed lies on the ground, on the earth, sorry. Okay, and this is the picture for it. Number 2, the seed cracks open and tiny shots appear. Here in picture E. Number 3, one shot grows up and one shot goes down. Here, one goes up and one goes down. Next, the stem grows longer and stronger. Here, you can see the stem, it grows longer and stronger. The first leaves appear and the roots grow. This is number 5. The first leaves appear and the roots grow. 6. A bud begins to develop on the stem. Here you can see the first bud. It begins to develop on the stem. 7. The petals unfold and the flower opens. Here, number 7, the flower is open. 8. The seeds form in the flower and the flower dies. Here, you can see in picture number 8. The last sentence, the seeds drop down on the earth, and then the cycle goes round and round again. This concludes our video for today. I hope you will enjoy it. Inshallah, you are going to find a worksheet attached to the video, and also you are going to find a link to a word wall game. I hope you will enjoy it, inshallah. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video, inshallah.